Hello, Seju. She is a project manager and she's a PMP holder now. Project manager should have PMP. Is it a must? No, it's not a must. But if you have it, it's added value, right? But
Yeah.
again, getting this easy, I will say no. It has
No,
no or yes, getting it easy.
it is not easy.
So how much you chase this exam? How long it has happening for you?
Yeah, I started in 2019 end November. I started with your course, Sriram.
Mhm.
So and after that, I bought the book also, the Pinbock sixth edition book. I was like, I online I will not be able to read much, so I thought I should continue reading, and I bought the book and I started reading. Initially it was very difficult for me to understand certain things and link certain things, and the consistency also was not there from my side. And then what happened is like, okay, then this lockdown came. 2020 lockdown started, and I thought, okay, sure, this time I'll definitely make it. And I started, but it was on and off again. It was going, but I started at least reading the Pimbok book. I started reading,
Hmm.
and then what happened is like uh, uh, August time frame, I saw that your batch is again going to start. Then I thought I should refresh it once again, and then started. During that time also, what happened is like it was during the weekends that I used to study. That weekdays and all, though I thought I'll be doing it every day consistently 2 hours, I used to get up early in the morning and all, but that uh, daily approach was not there due to other priorities at home and the kids online class homework and all. It was in the mornings only that was being done. So with all those things, it again got a bit delayed, but weekends I used to learn,
Okay.
and then started reading books. So with Pimpok, initially it was a bit difficult. So I started with Head First. Then I thought like Head First, Rita, Pimpok, three books I'll definitely read. I started couple of chapters, it was fine. I could make, but it was taking a lot of time to read all the three books and then do the test and everything. It was taking a lot of time. Then I thought it will not work out this way. Then I started with then I thought, for now anyway Pimbok I'll have to read. So I then started with Head First and then Pimbok. So both books I read everything, but the chapter test I took from both Head First and Rita. All the chapter test I took.
Fantastic.
Mm.
Fantastic. Great. So that's a short story of her hard work. It would have taken a lot of hours. Let's quickly see her certificate. That's very important, right? So she got the certificate when? When? Only 5 days back. Oh
22nd.
God. After this, hope you got some good sleep, good,
Yeah.
good food, good time with the family. Hope it happened.
Yes. Christmas time.
Okay, you are native of which place in India?
I'm from Kerala.
Kerala. So moved to Chennai. Now you should be in Chennai.
No, during the lockdown, I came to Kerala.
Oh, okay. Back to home. So getting a healthy food from parents there around, huh?
Yeah. During this time, I tortured them a lot with PMP that I am studying.
Now I understand why you decided to go to PMP. You found a place to delegate your task, so you can take your own task and do it.
Correct.
So project management strategy, huh? So what's special in Kerala? What do you like in Kerala?
The greenery.
Which place in Kerala?
Alapi district. It is in Alapi district.
God sake, a tourist
Mavelikam.
spot, yeah, full of tourist spot.
Yeah.
Boat house area. Okay,
Yeah, there is boat house here.
okay. It keep on raining there.
Mm, for some time it was raining, but
Okay,
not now. Yeah.
so
Now the
peaceful
climate is very.
there, fresh air, green, good vegetables. Fantastic, fantastic. So what do you miss from Chennai now?
Mm,
Okay.
nothing.
Hey, your office is there. You should tell I'm missing my office.
Oh my God.
Yeah,
Working from home.
yeah, that's a revenue source. Yeah, I respect it.
Working from home. And without, because of this virtual thing, not missing much.
Come on. See, even though sitting in Kerala, you order everything in Amazon with the money given by this company from Chennai. So you have to respect it. Okay, jokes apart. Now, tell me, last few weeks, maybe last 1 or 2 weeks,
Mm.
how do you focus towards examination? What is the tuning you did in the last couple of weeks?
Okay, so in the last couple of weeks, so I start in the last couple of weeks also, I was again going through and again reading all these chapters which I completed. I made some notes of it also. All these ITTOs and everything I had written down. So I was referring that again because during the chapter test, what I realized is that even though I read two books, there were some gaps. In the Rita exams. At first, I used to score good, but in the Rita chapter test also, I used to miss few things. That was I understood that it was all silly mistakes which was being made in spite of reading. So I again refreshed few things. Then I kept on refreshing, and sometimes I feel that it is not enough. Then I thought, okay, unless and until I start with this prep class, I'll not be able to go anywhere. Okay, so then I started it. I started it only 5 days back. So that is a learning which I would say to everyone that you should
Start
start it
early.
with, yeah, a bit early,
Mm.
because analyzing, I thought like, okay, yeah, 5 days, 5 exams, and then I'll be able to analyze everything. So it was fine. But what happened is like one exam, after taking the exam also, after taking the exam, it was very difficult. Like analyzing the test took a lot of time.
Exactly. See, I keep telling that have a 15 days for simulation because
Yeah, correct.
one exam and then 2 days for analysis. So 3 days per exam. I'm giving 2 days. One day 100 question analysis, next day 100 question.
Correct.
Because a day when you take exam, it will be so exhaustive. It will
Correct.
be watching some Indian movie, crappy movie 3 hours, and you will feel a headache for 4 hours. You know, a lot of crappy movies are there. You don't know why you watch that because you paid the money. So, like that, this exam will bring you such a headache and tiredness because you are stressing your brain.
Yeah.
If you sit for 4 hours, next 3 hours you can't be active. You'll be tired.
Correct.
You want to sleep. I generally tell that after you took the exam, make a walk, take half an hour, at least a short nap. Your brain won't be active. You'll be very tired. Brain tiredness is very heavy than body tiredness. Right? So you have to take a rest. So I saw that you're pushing last 5 days all the mock effort. Oh my God,
Yeah.
she got a heavy brain.
No, no. See, that is a from a retrospective or a learning
Lesson.
perspective. That is what I would say. Never, don't underestimate that you will be able,
Did,
or
did,
how.
did you say retrospective?
Yes.
Agile flavor is there. Okay. Okay. So how was did you do a PMI sample exam?
Yes, I did that. I made sure that I did that because after the first one, after taking the first one, I did that
Mm,
to just see where I stand,
mm.
and I
How,
scored only 72. I
72.
scored only 72 percentage.
That's fine. That's fine.
Uh,
It's a decent score. Tell me the language difference. Is it language different than PMI sample?
yes, yes, it is
Mm,
completely different.
mm, mm. Okay. Okay. Fine.
Yeah, when starting with though read two textbooks and also done the examination, sample examinations, which is available chapter test. What I understood is like while doing all this prepcast only, we'll be able to understand more and correlate more. There were when I was going back to some of the answers which I made wrong, I could see that in the textbook it was there as a complete sentence itself. And I was like, oh my God, how did I miss it in spite of reading this? So while analyzing all this only, we'll be able to know where we are lacking.
Got
So
you.
that is something which is a must.
Perfect, perfect. No, that makes pretty sense there. Okay,
Yeah.
great. And how is it? Okay, you write the exam in online or it is center based?
Online only I did it.
Mm,
Yeah, that day it was like had a lot of tensions that day.
tell the experience of online. What happened there?
Yeah, so my exam was scheduled on 22nd, 7:30. 7:30 a.m. was exam time, and I logged in at by 6:45. I was online, and by 7 I could see the link in PMI website. I navigated. I went to the view site. I checked or did the system test and all. I actually did one 2 days before to ensure that there is nothing wrong. And
Mhm. What laptop is
the
that? Is it a personal laptop?
personal laptop,
What it is it a Mac or Windows?
Windows.
Windows. Very good. Okay, go ahead.
Hmm. Yeah, and that time also the system test was passed because I knew that it will be fine only because 2 days before I did it everything. And then to the mobile, I gave the mobile number and I got a link in which I had to take my photo, the workstation, the photo of the front, back, left and right of my seating where I'm sitting. So where I'm taking the exam. So I had to take all those photographs and it was and I had to refresh the page in my system. But what happened is like uh, the check-in process has been completed, and I was under camera uh, inspection only. The camera and all turned on in the view, and there were instructions given like you have to follow the instructions. Whatever guidelines has to be followed, you should from now on you have to follow it. So I was waiting, and they told like in 15 minutes the examination is expected to start. So I thought, okay, fine, maybe in 15 minutes means by around 7:45 maybe I'll be getting the link and I'll be able to start as what is waiting and waiting. 8:15 also I didn't get the link. I don't know what happened, and there was a pop-up saying that your exam has not launched.
Oh,
If you need help, click here. I clicked there and there was an FAQ page. It navigated me to the FAQ page saying like in case it is not starting, if you want to reschedule the exam and all, these are the things that you need to do and all. Oh my God, I don't know. I got so I don't know what to do, and I was like bit tense only. Till 8:15 it was not, and I tried calling the view customer care numbers,
mm.
but
Where these
no one
numbers are given, where the customer care numbers are given,
in that page itself. It was there.
it's there.
In the,
But are they picking the phone?
no, they were not picking the call.
That's called customer care. Okay.
Yeah, then I didn't know what to do. What should I do? And it was shown like you should not close that application, that view application, right? Which was
Yeah.
on. You should not. I don't know what to do. Also, it was just like that stuck there and was not able to navigate anywhere else. Also, then I don't know whether I can take a phone and call someone because it is told that you are under. But somehow I thought like before the camera itself, let me sit and I called Rahul. Mm. Then I told Rahul the entire thing, like what I am facing and everything. Rahul told, no, nothing to worry. If at
Mm.
all, suppose this is, we will just send out an email and they will take it up as a case and you will get another slot, is what Rahul told. Then I told, okay, Rahul, then shall I do it now? Rahul told, no, wait for 15 more minutes. You have for 1 hour anyway, you waited till now, just
Mm.
wait for 15 more minutes and then you log out. In the meantime, don't worry, I will send you this
Mm.
link, the email ID, so that you can share. I told, okay, then I'll wait for 15 more minutes and then I'll send. So by the time, then I kept the phone again back, kept it aside, and but I could see the message coming. I think it will be from Rahul only. He sent me all this email IDs.
Mm.
Then I waited and waited, And I thought, okay, it is just only 5 more minutes left for 8:30, and at 8:30 I'll just close everything. And I was nothing was happening, and I was prepared everything, and I thought, okay, I'm not able to do anything now, and I was about to close it. And all of a sudden, something was happening. It looks like the screen was changing or something was happening, and the exam was launched.
Oh man, I'm not ready. I'm not ready.
I was like, oh my God, what should I do? Then I thought, okay, let me see what is going to happen. Either I'll be able to do it, or I'll not be able to do it. Anyway,
Okay.
Rahul has told me that, okay, there'll be some alternative and I'll be doing this year itself, he told me. So I was like, okay, fine. Anyway, let me see. Then the exam launched and I started taking the exam.
Yeah, what happened is the flow of exam takers are pretty high.
Hmm.
And, the Pearson group, I'm not sure what kind of application server they have. They are not ready to take the load. And
Hmm.
also, number of proctors should be there. See, when someone take exam, somebody should sit on opposite side, right?
Correct, correct.
So the number of proctors also some confusion because of vacation time. So this
Hmm.
all confusion led to many exams got delayed. It's not only you. There are people 1 hour, 1.5 hours,
Hmm.
4 hour exam plus 1.5 hours they have to sit. They
Hmm.
need 5.5, 6 hours the same place.
Yeah.
Torture it is. Maybe Pearson could have handled it a little more better. They know the load will come. When Amazon sale day they can do a load, Pearson should do a load. Like
Hmm.
I don't know why they didn't do that. It's a little bad experience for the people. But I like
Yeah.
your confidence to sit that much of time. I appreciate it.
Yeah, I think I should thank Rahul also for telling me that, okay, this
Sit
is
there.
sit there for 1 hour. After 1 hour, you just go. So I was like, okay, fine.
Okay. Okay. Great. Okay. The first question launched. What was the question and how was it? Not the question. How was the question model?
Uh, First question, it was, I
Easy.
think the first set of questions, no,
Mm.
though I was a bit tense, my God, will this get stopped again or what is going to happen? But
Mm.
okay, because it got launched, I was like bit relieved. Okay, my
Mm.
God, I'm able to write the exam. And then I was writing the exam at the 35th question, this application got stuck again. My
Okay.
God, I was like, okay. I came to the 35th fifth question, and then again this is happening. I thought, my God, at least earlier I could have filed a case and it would have been taken. Now I am like, I'm only at the 35th, and if something goes wrong, I'm not sure whether I'll be able to proceed. Or I thought, my God, then I may fail this time. I don't know what to do. This time, okay, I was
It's
like,
a
I
it's a it's a kind of emotional intelligence testing by PMI.
thought.
They're testing how balanced you are in this situation.
Yeah. Then I thought, okay, fine,
Uh,
uh, it is okay, let me just wait for some more time. Then I waited for 5 to 6 minutes. Nothing was happening. I couldn't do any refresh or nothing. I tried clicking that chat also, right, chat with the proctor. So I tried clicking that also nothing was happening. Everything is stuck. Then after about 5 to 6 minutes, that chat window opened, and proctor told, what help do you need? So I told them that the application got stuck, and they told, let us restart from our side, and they relaunched it. So after that it was working fine, but that
when
5 to
they relaunch, do we lose any time there?
yeah, the time was, even though the application was stuck, the time was running.
That is life. You may be stuck in place. Life keep on going. That's a message you're trying to give them.
Yeah.
But that's unfair, right? Though their application stuck, why should they eat your time? I really don't understand. PMI has to mature somewhere. Okay, so but at least you had the confidence to come back. So when you came back, are you able to keep up the same momentum?
Yeah, then I was rushing through because I lost already 6 minutes, and I don't know when the next time it will get stuck, because I never thought that it will get stuck in between. Now I was like, then it was more tension for me. When will it get stuck the next time? Will I be able to complete the exam? So that was the one which was in my mind. And but the first set of 89 questions, I think it was actually good, and I could move fast when compared to the second half. So I was able to complete and review the set of questions.
Okay, okay, pretty good. Okay, great. So now, when you realize that you are good with the exam, you will clear this exam in the when the exam is going on.
Okay, the first set, okay, I was like, okay, thank God, even though I waited so long, at least the exam is going. The second, after the break, my God, the questions were like, my God, again. It was bit tough. It started
Mhm.
becoming bit tough.
I understand. I understand.
And I was like, my God.
So, did you have last few minutes before the exam, closing
No,
exam? All tight.
no. Yeah, it
Uh,
was tight.
when you click the last button, how many seconds it took to come the result?
It came, that was pretty quick only.
There it is fast. DMA is fast in that. Okay. So I'm sure your heartbeat would have been heavy.
Yes. That time I was like, my God, what is going to happen?
By that time, that time only people realize a God. There is a God. And they will feel that God. I may be bad, but here I want to be good. So please pass me. Okay, sounds good. So really good journey. I appreciate it. But if you want to tell some do's for the people, one you said that start your practice exam early.
Early.
Any other thing you want to say, guys? Do this.
Yeah, and the number of exams and you have to take is very much more. See,
Mhm.
I took only less, but I think we should take the Prepcast more exams, because then only you will get a feel, because it is
Right,
completely different. And to get a feel of what it is, you should, even though you read books, the exam is a must.
right. At least five exams, a decent number.
Yes, yes, correct.
Right, pretty good, pretty good. Super. Thanks, Vijay, for coming up here, and it's a good experience. So, in Kerala, what is the special food?
Fish.
Ah, really? All the time? Come on, yeah. You have some other appam, puttu.
Appam puttu and all is there. Yeah,
Ah,
for breakfast.
in
Yes.
Bangalore, we have good Kerala hotels. If you go,
Uh,
that's a big menu here, and people love to have it.
hmm.
Great, great, great. I think after the exams got over, now you have to be back to your duty. No delegation to parents.
Yes.
So how the family took over? They felt happy for your success?
Yes, yes.
Mm-hmm.
My daughter was very much happy. I don't know, more than me. She was like jumping with joy, saying that
Okay. What's her age?
4 years.
Sure, she needs your attention. So you gave all your attention to other baby called PMP.
She used to tell everyone. After that, she was like my promoting that, telling everyone, whoever calls, she will say, Amma passed PMP.
So many will think your mom just only passing. God's sake, she didn't go to school for a long time. See, in this management world, people know PMP. Okay. If you go and talk to some other group, they don't even know what it is. They'll tell what is the exam. In management world itself, many don't know the intensity of PMP. They will think it's okay, man. Go pass and come back. There are people who don't know that. So how do you see its implementation going to happen in your corporate life?
Yeah, so from the exam perspective also, right? So the ITTUs and all, taking some of the sample questions, I thought like, okay, they will directly ask what is this and all those things. But it is all like application perspective. What will you do in such a
Applying.
situation as well?
Mm,
Yeah, in
mm,
such a way was all the questions, and the risk response strategy. I got around 5 questions in the response strategy itself. Different situations, which is a response
Got
strategy
you.
that you will
Got
use.
you. Got you. And that's why I keep saying in the classes, no need to mug up anything.
Mm,
Understand the concepts and see the real time more than enough. Even though we
correct.
say that it's not that easy to do that. Right. Good.
Mm.
Super Sujo. Thanks a lot for coming up here. And once again, good wishes from Sri Learning team for your
Thank you
great.
so much, Sriram. Thank you so much for your motivation. And I would say that more than reading, no, I would have heard your sessions 3 times, right?
Hope it was not boring for you hearing the same
No,
one
no,
again and again.
not at all. Loaded with a lot of positivity and that motivation, right?
Philosophies.
The push is there, no? And see, after your, I bought this book and I'm going to read this.
Wow, wow. I may need to conduct some exams on this book soon. I know. Sometimes we need this positivity. There are a lot of positive around us. For some reason, we don't realize it. We generally see what are the things not working, rather seeing what works. Right? So that's how it is. Anyway, super. Thanks a lot for taking things seriously and working out. And let 2021 be a rocking year. In fact, 2020 is a good year for you since you did your certificate now. Now we have
Yeah.
to materialize it. It's very important. I keep saying to everyone, materialize it. Materialize means one is earning. I'm not saying no. Focus on the earnings. At the same time, implement what you learned. That's very important. How to implement Shiram? Can I just go and apply? It won't work. It'll take time. You have to digest what is happening in your corporate and start adding value one by one. So for that, the book what you read for exam should be with you. Don't think since you cleared PMP you remember everything.
Mm.
No, it won't be with you. So we have to read again. Now you have to go and read with a happy note. So that's a best way of doing. Great, super. Thanks a lot for coming up here, and I have a great New Year celebration, right? And let 2020 be a great year for you.
Thank you, Sri. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year wishes. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.